Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Greenville County in upstate South Carolina, northeastern Pickens County in upstate South Carolina, until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Greenville downtown, or near Furman University, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Greenville downtown, Greer, Taylors, Berea, Travelers West, Slater Marietta, Paris Mountain State Park, Tigerville, Lake Robinson and Pleasant Ridge State Park. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. A few trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Hail can cause major property damage, especially to vehicles. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina, Greenville and Pickens. The National Weather Service